Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about how to generate a coupon and how we can apply it in the sales, POS and website. So first, you have to make sure that you have enabled the promotions, loyalty and gift card option. After enabling that, you will be getting discount and loyalty, gift cards and e-wallet option. So under discount and loyalty, we can create a new one. Let's say it's a 10 percentage discount coupon, and we can choose the program type as coupons, and then we will be able to apply this on particular price list. If we want to apply this coupon on particular price list, we can select those, and if we want to set a validity, we can provide a start date and end date. And also, if this coupon is limited of usage, then we can just enable this limit usage, and we can put out the number of usages per this coupon. If this coupon is available in sales, website and POS, then we can enable all of these three. Now I have enabled all three, and now coming to the rules and rewards section, here we have the rules where we put out what is the condition to apply this particular discount coupon. So here I'm just setting that a minimum quantity of one product. While purchasing minimum quantity of one product, I will be giving this reward. So I'll just save this, and under the reward section, it's giving a 10 percentage discount. It can be percentage or fixed amount on the order, and in exchange of one coupon point. And just save this. The product description, I will provide it as 10 percentage discount, and we'll save it. So now we have set all of the configurations, and we can generate the coupons. Upon clicking the generate coupons, we will be getting a wizard. If we want to generate it for anonymous customers, like if we want to generate a certain number of quantities, we can select the anonymous customers. Or if we want to generate it for selected customers from our contact, we can choose the customers from here. Now I'm going with an anonymous customers, and I will be generating 10 quantities. And here I will be adding gift card coupon it is, and just generate a coupon, and here we have 10 coupons, and I'll copy this coupon. Let's try applying it on a sales. In the sales, I will create a quotation for a random customer and add some product. Requested block screen it is. So now it is a product for 295, and here we have a coupon code button, and we can apply that coupon code over here. So we will be getting what is the reward. So there is the 10 percentage coupon applying, and an additional line, order line is added with a 10 percentage of discount from the above product. So this will be applied to the total cost. Now we can confirm this. So this is how we manage it in the sales. Let's see how we can manage it in the POS. Let's take up another coupon. So after using, the balance will be converted to 0. I'll just select this one, and let's go to the POS. Here I'm opening a new session. This time I will go with a customizable desk. Okay. So now we have a product. We already have a customer. So I'll just change the customer to someone else. So here I have a particular, I'll just clear the reverse. Reset the program. So now I have only selected one product for this. And in the actions, under the enter code, we will apply the code which we have copied. And while we apply it, here we can see a 10 percentage of discount has been added. So this is how it works. Let's go for the payment for a clearer view, and we'll go with the cash payment. Validated. So here you can see a customizable desk has been purchased with a 10% of discount. So that's how it is worked in POS. Now let's check how this works in the website. So let's copy another code, coupon code. Now we have two used codes. So I'll just copy one unused code, and let's open the website. Here in the shopping, let's choose one product. Let it be pedal bin. I'll make up the quantity to 5 and add to cart. Okay, now in here, here we have a 235 total amount, and we'll apply the gift card on over here. While applying, here we can see a 10% of discount has been applied to the code, and it is reflected over the total. So this is how it works in the website part. So now let's this is the payment part, and so this is all about the video how we apply the coupon codes in the quotation in the POS order, and also while doing online shopping. Thank you.